Try me a deserter. No time to have you lurking. No, act like you don't like it. You know I don't. Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, I am going to be putting on this wig. It is, you guys, this install, one of the easiest installs, okay? I had to do the bare minimum. When I say that, I'm also talking about when I prepped this wig. So before we get into all the details and how I installed it, let's just get into where this wig is from. So it is from Beauty Forever Hair Company. Playlist is going to be at the top, or playlist is going to be at the bottom, and the details that I'm about to mention is going to be down in the description box. So let's just jump into the details. So this is, let me read it off my phone. This is their reddish brown Afro Kinky Curly 13x4 Lace Frontal Wig. It comes with the baby hairs already with this wig. So with the last one that I got with that, I didn't have to pluck really at all, especially when prepping. So I did not do that. I did not pluck this wig. I left it exactly how it is. I want you guys to see how will it look once installed. So I left some of the hair, you guys will see later in the video. I left some of the like pre-made or already baby hairs that are there. I left those out, and then I laid some of them down in the front. It's up to you. I don't know if I'm being lazy or that's just, I don't know. But that's just what I decided to do. And yeah, so the prep was very easy. I just co-washed it. When installing it, I used my wig dealer lace bonding gel. I love this stuff. The hold on this is so strong. It's almost like a glue, but it's not, and it comes off with water. So I really, really, really stinking love this stuff. So I highly suggest you guys getting your hands on this. So I used that only on the sides because I took advantage of the combs, the adjustable straps, and the elastic band that is in this wig. The construction of this wig, like, there's a lot of things to keep your wig on your head, okay? The combs, the adjustable straps, and the elastic band, there's 3 things to secure this wig. So this wig is very snug on my head. I usually wear average cap size, and I don't feel like this wig is going nowhere. I don't. And it's so snug that I didn't have to put anything at the top to lay this down. It's completely glueless at the top. I only put some on the sides just because the flaps are like, you know. So that's all I did. So if you guys are looking for a very low maintenance wig, honey, look into these baby hair wigs, okay? Just look into them. Try them out, okay? I have one thing that I want to mention. When I got this wig, it was like they curl. Okay, so it's pre-dyed already, but it's almost like it was like perfect spirals. Like they did that themselves. And when I went to co-wash the wig, it was extremely difficult. I had to lather conditioner on this wig just so that it would be easier to detangle. So keep that in mind. But once I lathered the conditioner on there, I had no issues at all. It was like butter smooth. Okay, so so that's about all I have to say. We gonna stop talking here. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check y'all out in the next one. Bye.
No time to have you lurking. No, act like you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me, you're not righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams had duration. You took my heart and my keys and my patience. You took my heart on my sleeve for decoration. Mistaking my love I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted.